Hello guys, today is my Talking Tom Friends EAS scenario. Today is which I call the friends in the city, including showers, medicals, sleeping, and toilet attacks, Oklahoma City. Yep, that's where we're gonna start in our next in this city. Anyways, let's get started. It's beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I present it to you. It's called Sleeping, Toilet, Medicals, or Showers Attack Oklahoma City, including one of his friends. And beautiful day. And now, whoa, we reach up to 500. Beautiful. Alright, so it's beautiful day in Oklahoma City. And the birthday has reported in downtown Oklahoma City. And suddenly, we heard something after the birthday reported over the Oklahoma City metro area. It looks like Becca, Angela, and Ben got a food today. Interesting. Jump scare warning. Turn down the volume. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. A dangerous situation is taking place at downtown Oklahoma City. As of 9:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, reports are coming in that the toilets known toilet has seen roaming around the city of Oklahoma City. They're seen doing something like attacking and killing on site and infect them and turn it into toilets. In addition, the name of the suspect that causes a chaos over major cities across the eastern and several western United States has been identified as Tom. Tom is a pink with gold on top of his head. He also is seen wearing his green leaf shirt. This suspect is supposed to be so dangerous it should not be approached. All residents of the city of Oklahoma City are advised to remain indoors at this time. Do not approach these friends as considered too dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. If Tom breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes labor force. Do not go outside for any reason. If you do so, then you're putting yourself in extreme danger. Tune to the local station for news information. Whoa. I guess we have a local area emergency for Oklahoma City in our hands. So, we can see our map here. This is the central Oklahoma, where the counties include Logan, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Potawatomi, Cleveland, McLean, Grady, Canadian, and Kingfisher. Okay, so let's switch our news to the. Wait, something intangible happens. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over near Kingfisher and moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazard including a 60 mile per hour wind gust and quarter-sized hail. Confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Kingfisher. For your protection, move the interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Whoa. Severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher. What's moving? We have suddenly hearing over severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grady County in central Oklahoma until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chickasha and moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expect hazards including a 60 mile per hour wind gust. It has been confirmed by train weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Chickasha. For your protection, move the interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Whoa. The severe thunderstorm warning has now issued for the city of Chickasha. Jump scare warning. Turn down the phone as fast as you can. Whoa. That's not right. It's not right. The following message is transmitted and request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Residents of the city of Oklahoma City seek shelter immediately. At approximately 9:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, were causing chaos over the city of Oklahoma City of toilets has reported have a number of toilets. The previous toilet was about an minute ago that another toilet has occurred is now reported in the city of Moore, Oklahoma. In addition, a situation is similar to Oklahoma City, but now the situation taking place at the city of Moore. Due to this, all residents of the city of Moore in Oklahoma City are advised to shelter in place. You are advised to follow these instructions. Find the interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building as fuse windows and doors. Turn all lights and heating and air conditioning systems. Close fireplace dampers and seal all cracks on doors with damp clothing, damp tape, or damp towels. Take essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, toiletries, important documents, and the battery power or hand wave to last you and your family for the duration of the emergency. To the local station by news information. Whoa. We have a shelter-in-place warning for more. That's not good. Right. Meanwhile, at the news at Fox 25. This is Fox 25. So, KHTV, serving the Oklahoma City area. We have currently breaking news coming out of the city of Moore. Apparently, a previous toilet warning, including the shelter-in-place warning, has been issued out of the head like a second ago. A few moments ago, that the toilet warning that the local area emergency has issued for the city of Oklahoma City. So we have a reporter in Moore. How's the situation going? I am living here in Moore, which is actually very okay in there, but unlike the situation, these people have a shelter-in-place warning and is currently seeking shelter. Due to this situation of this, we now have seen that Tom has already done toileting. So, anyways, this is me, and back over to you. Thank you. In other news, a certain of the law enforcement had to put up there so the toilet cannot be broken at this time, even the shower. This is KOH TV. For Fox 25 News, return your regular programming. Jump scare warning. Warning. The following hearing will be disturbing. The following mission has transmitted at request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. A dangerous situation is taking place at downtown Oklahoma City. As of 9:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, it has been reported that double toilet has caused chaos over the city of Oklahoma City and more. Have seen turning into showers, and they're attacking and killing on site. In addition, that we have a report at the thing has reported that Tom, even though that Tom has pink and golden things on his head, a green leaf shirt. Due to this, all residents of the city of Oklahoma City are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Turn all heating and air conditioning systems. Close fireplace dampers. And seal all cracks and doors with damp clothing, and damp towels. Take inadequate supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, important documents, and the battery power of hand crank radio with extra battery to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Do not approach these residents considered too dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. If Tom enters your home, use on protection by all means. This includes lethal force. Do not go outside. If you do, then you're putting yourself in extreme danger. Tune to the local station for news information. Whoa. Right. What's something? Eventually. What's something? Thunderstorm severe thunderstorm continues. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McLean County in central Oklahoma until 10:15 a.m. At 9:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over or due south and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazard including a 60 mile per hour wind gust and nickel-sized hail. Its source has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roof, windows, and vehicles. Location and impact include Pure South. For your protection, move into your room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Clever. The severe thunderstorm warning is now in effect for herself. But now, in a situation that the severe thunderstorm warning will be issued for Canadian, Oklahoma, and Cleveland. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the severe thunderstorm was located over Kingfisher and moving over near Orlando, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expect hazards including a 60 mile per hour wind gust and quarter-sized hail. A source has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Oklahoma City, Norman, El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, The Village, Edmond, Valley Brook, Midwest City, Yale City, Valley Brook, Forest Park, Uptown, Oklahoma City, Nichols Hills, Will Rogers World Airport, Hall Park, Ghost Play, Novel, and Spencer. For your protection, move into your room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Whoa, we have a severe thunderstorm warning is now extended over Oklahoma City. And the thunderstorm continues. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chandler County, Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oklahoma City and moving east at 65 miles per hour. The expected hazards including a 60 mile per hour wind gust and dime-sized hail. A source has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location and impact include Gary, Chandler, and Shawnee. For your protection, move into your room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. And the storm continues. Aftermath. And administrative message from the Oklahoma City Police Department. This is an all-clear message. Tom, a serious toilet and shower has caused chaos over Oklahoma City, and more has finally turned into food. The residents may exit the shelter at this time. However, there's massive damage to the city. National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If the shelter is damaged or destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, will take you to the military base. All broadcast and cable systems are allowed to resume regular programming. Emergency management will be now hand over the state of emergency. The Oklahoma City Police Department like to thank you for cooperation during this emergency. Yep. Thank you for watching, and of my Tom Attacks Oklahoma City, featuring more. So I'll see you next time. That another severe thunderstorm warning will be updated over major cities across eastern and Midwest United States. See you next time. Bye bye.